Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we've got something truly mind-blowing for you. We're diving deep into Law 7. Never compromise your self-story. It's a concept you've probably never heard before, and it's about to change your life. Ever wondered how your self-story shapes your success? Well, we've got the secrets right here, and we're even sharing a powerful strategy to supercharge yourself. Story and help you reach those ambitious goals. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our life-changing content. All right, let's kick things off with the basics. Your self-story, folks, is your secret weapon for success. It's not just about your physical abilities. It's 80 mental, as boxing champ Chris Eubank Jr. puts it. I can't stress this enough. Being a fighter is more than just physical strength. It's mental. It's about that walk to the ring, facing millions, and knowing you're about to get hurt and hurt someone. That takes massive mental strength. So how do you train for that mental strength? Eubank J believes it's trainable. And guess what? You need it to persevere through tough times. There will be moments when you're questioning yourself, just like Eubank Jar did. I've been there too, questioning whether I should quit the ring. But there was this one time. He faced a giant in Cuba, got knocked out of the ring, and had to make a choice. It's a story that defined him. He could have quit, but he got back in, and that moment changed everything. It showed him what he was capable of. Eubank Jr.'s story is proof that your self-story shapes your mental toughness. It's your belief about yourself, your capabilities, and your potential. So how do you create a powerful self-story? It starts with your choices, especially in moments when no one is watching. But here's the catch. Your self-story isn't just about your choices. It's also influenced by stereotypes around you. For instance, stereotypes about race can seep into your self-story and impact your performance. But remember, you can break free from stereotypes. Your self-story is your narrative, and you're the author. Now, let's get into the science of your self-story. Psychologists call it your self-concept. It's your beliefs about yourself, and it forms from early childhood to adulthood. Studies show that a positive self-story is the key to mental toughness. It makes you optimistic, helps you persevere, and handle stress better. As we learned earlier, your self-story affects your resilience. It's a whopping 40 of what makes you mentally tough. So how do you build a stronger self? Story. It's about the choices you make when the going gets tough. Here's the law of never compromising your self-story. Mental toughness is your key to success, and it's fueled by your positive self-story. So don't let negative evidence or stereotypes hold you back. You're the author of your own success story. That's a wrap, folks. You've just unlocked the power of Law 7. Never compromise your self-story. Remember, your self-story is your superpower. Embrace challenges, make the right choices, and become the champion of your life. If this video inspired you, hit that like button. Share it with friends who need this wisdom. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content. Until next time, keep believing in yourself and never compromise your self-story. You've got this.